Hey y'all, hey, it's time for another Saturday Suds on Uncle Bub's Bell Buckle Beer Reviews. Hey, I'm sitting out here in my front yard right in front of my house. I had a different position and it was kind of in the shade and everything, but as soon as I turned the damn camera on, my neighbor started mowing his yard and messed up my audio. So anyway, luckily I hadn't opened my beer yet, and the sun's fixing to come out and blind me. But anyway, hey, we're here on a Saturday, and what I've got for you today is another beer from my beer club. And today's brew is from the Brothers Craft Brewing Company out of Harrisonburg, Virginia. And it used to be the Three Brothers, and there's a story behind why they changed their name and all that kind of stuff, but I'm not going to go into all that. But today's brew is called Reddish Knob West Coast Style Pale Ale. It's got a pretty picture of the Blue Ridge Mountains on it. And it says right here, it's brewed and bottled in the Blue Ridge by Brothers Craft Brewing Company. Alright, so this brew is 5.6 alcohol, 5.6% alcohol by volume, 12 fluid ounce bottle. And let's see, this brewery started in 2012 by Three Brothers, and they have started there in Harrisonburg, Virginia, and they have won some awards with their beers, not necessarily this one in particular, but anyway, it says an ode to a classic and named for a local landmark. Reddish Knob is everything that is great about what made the West Coast Pale Ale popular. Light-bodied with a slightly toasted character that perfectly couple with the caramel sweetness. This is not quite pale ale, focuses on hops that put America on the map. Citrus flavor and aroma dominate with pine notes layered in. This beer takes an iconic style to new heights. Alright, so it's a West Coast style pale ale, Reddish Knob. We're going to try it today on Saturday Suds. Pop this bad boy open and see what this looks like. Got a beer from a beer club. Oh yeah, it doesn't look too pale, does it? Wow, that's a pretty reddish brew, isn't it? Reddish Knob, West Coast style pale ale. Well, it looks red, don't it? Ooh, that's a pretty brew. Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Ooh, it's hazy. It's hazy. It's got a clean smell to it. That bottle up there, you can't hardly see it. It's a picture of the Blue Ridge Mountains on it. It's a nice photograph. But anyway, Reddish Knob. And hopefully the wind won't mess it up too bad. I'm trying to find a place to do a video, and the wind's blowing, neighbors mowing the yard, and all kinds of shit. But anyway, alright, so anyway, this Reddish Knob Pale Ale is for all American workers. Hey, love and appreciate y'all. Thank you for what you do. This pale ale is for you. I'm getting just a hint of the citrus flavor it talked about, and just a little bit of the pine as well. A little bit of citrus, a little bit of pine. And something else. Caramel maybe? Maybe a toasted type caramel flavor, just very subtle. That's good. Good stuff. Nice. It's got a rich flavor to it. Not too rich, but I mean it's got good character. Pretty beer. Alright y'all, this sun's about to kill me. That's been Saturday Suds for this week. Hey, if you like the videos, there's a little beer mug right here. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm here Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Trying different beer for you. Salute the American worker. Letting y'all know that I love and appreciate y'all. I'll be back next week for a Wet Your Whistle Wednesday. Got some new beer I'm going to try for you. Y'all stay tuned. Take care. I appreciate y'all. Cheers.